So the quest for this video is as a result of people asking me to show them how to edit, using the and the app I use for editing. There are various type of app you can use for editing. So we have a KeyMaster, we have a Capcut, we have UCut, we also have InShot. It depends on the one that suits you. So on this video, I'm going to be doing a series, but I will start it from crash. So this is the beginning of the series. So I'll be making use of CapCut for this series. Maybe after this one, I'll move to um, um, Movie Maker, the app Movie Maker. So in case you have that one as well. But today we're dwelling on CapCut and how to use CapCut to carry out some easy editing from our phone or our mobile device. So first of all, you have to go and download the app from Play Store. So as you can see here, the app is already there. I already have the app. So what I need to do now is to launch the app by tapping the app icon here. So you just follow me now so that you don't have. So why I'll be doing this thing series is for the video not to be too long. Sorry, for the video not to be too long. So I'll be taking it series by series, thereby um, breaking down the tools so that we can understand it. So if you don't get it from the beginning now, you might mix everything up. So you learn, follow this app and follow this series now. So you can also share this video, follow this series, so you can understand it step by step. So we shall be breaking the tools down. So from the very first beginning, we can learn how to launch the app, how to launch a new project, and then also how to edit the project. When you launch a new project, you learn how to also edit whatever thing video you have carried. Is it a picture? How to use picture? How to use it? So let's go into the app now. So I will show us how the environment looks and how you can easily do a simple task, carry a simple task in the environment. So we'll locate the CapCut now. So just follow me. You can also share this video, please. Do me a favor by sharing the video, comment, and also like. So you can also tell me what you want me to do next while I will carry it out. So locate the app now, called CapCut. So we tap it. So this is the app. I already have one this thing which I did and the date which I did this thing. So the video I doing during Valentine time, during the Valentine. So we have on the CapCut now you say shortcuts. Then we also have new project. So being the first time if you enter in this app, what you need to do is to tap the new project. So you click that plus sign and new project. You see, the new project will take you to your album. Yes, your album. Then you see the album now, which means it's indicating that I'm on the photo. So I can also move to the this and click the next one, which is a video. So this is video session. This is the photo session. So if you're talking of photos, we can also do photos. But if you want us to do photos, okay, let me start with the photos. Yes, at least it's a little bit lighter than that of the video. Maybe subsequently we can enter the video. Let me start off with photos. How to use photos. You can take photos. You can manipulate your photos. Do some effects. Put some good effect on your photos, and also add music to your photos. You can see your photos like in photo college, like slide. You see your photo coming in. Maybe just watching like photo album. As you watch your picture on an album. So you can also do that through your phone. You can also have through this app. You can also do a collection of your maybe an event like marriage, the wedding ceremony, birthday, those photos you took from the beginning to the end. You can also use the photo to tell the story of how everything, and step by step you add the photos and add the music that suits each time you want to each time you want to put the music to each new photo that comes. There must be you might have to put the new music into it and all that. So making it to be fun. So that's if you are watching, you are watching and you are experiencing the event. It's already past the event, but through the picture, you can also use the picture to tell the story of how the event started and how the event ended. So through that picture, you can tell a proper story of how that event started through the pictures we are watching by adding a good stable sound and manipulating the picture so very well that adding a good effect on the picture. Okay, so now let me just do a simple photo this thing photo slide so that we'll see how it goes. Then the next one, the video I'll be doing, I'll be working on videos. But for now, let me do that of photo. The photo is light, that's why I'm leaving it now. Let's do that of photo now to see how it goes. Okay. You just make a selection. It's not there a lot of photos here. But because it's not there, I will just pick it. So on your own, you know the photos you want to use to do this thing. So just pick some numbers of photos here by highlighting them. Just click this dot here. I'll select them. Select the photos. Yes. Select the photos and okay. You can also use a photo. Select a photo. Yes. Let me pick this one. Okay, sorry. Can go back. Let me pick this one. You see, can take as many as you want. Yes, but I've selected 4 now. So I want to add some photos to it. Okay, let's add this one 5. Add one again. Add this one 6. So let's make it 7. So the next thing what you do, you click this add here. You can see this add. You click this add, it will launch it to launch it. Okay, on the timeline. So this thing is called timeline. It's called timeline. You see, this is your timeline. This way, when you play it now, you see, to playing like as if it's a movie. You see, it's called timeline. It's playing as if it's a movie. You see, it's called timeline. Okay, so you can also go back. So you have put this thing now. There's no sound in it now. Yes, there's no sound in it. So what do we do? You can have to put sound. You can add. You see here, you see cut. On the first one here, you see cut. Second one, you see audio. You see text. You see sticker. You see overlay. My subsequent video will say I'll be describing these tools one after the other. I'll be telling us what this tool is being used. Sorry for the noise. The company is so noisy this morning. I don't know. You see if effect. You see here effects. You see filter. These are tools that you can find in this CapCut, and the tools at each level the tools change here. You see, if I select this one, I see that the tools will, there will be different tools because I've selected something. There will be different tool that will come out. So at each stage you enter, there's a different tool for it. So the computer will prompt you, the phone now or the app will prompt you, look at what you have selected, look at what is obtained in that selection you have done. So that is why you see below here now you see split. The option of split, you want to split the picture into two. You see animation, and you want to animate, you want to make the picture to move or to roll on it, whichever one you want to use it. As you can see, you can also come here now. Okay, let me just uh, put select this picture now and put animation. So you can choose you want to roll in, roll out, or you want to combo. So once you do this now, you see that there are different, but notice that this app makes use of network. Let me turn my data on. Make use of network. Yes. Okay, on the combo now, you see that these are the various way the picture. So you can just select one now and see. You can show you this is how the picture will combo. You see, you can select this one depending on your choice on what you want. You can see this one depending on how you want the picture, the behavior of the picture. Okay, how you want the picture to come in. So there are different type. There are different type. As you are doing it, it will. Or this one, you see. So just really different how you want the picture to come in. Okay. Then under this one, you can also put sound. Let's just roll because I don't want this video to be too long. In between here, this button you are seeing here, it's for transition. Once I click it now, you see apply to all. Then you have transition. And I told you that this thing uses network, so it's loading the transition, different kind of transition. It's uploading it. So it uses network, it uses data. So it's trying to come up now. Don't know why it's delaying. Okay, it's not fast coming. Just go back. Okay. Then we have blur, we have basic, we have light, depending on the one you choose. We have camera. See, this is what the transition is to bring the next one. You can also make it slower, or you make it faster by going back, make it faster. So this is slower to come in slower. Okay. Then you also have another transition here. You can pick another transition here. something like this one. Make it slower. You see, look as if it's a dark. See? So that's how it is. You just add this in at the thing, but let me just put one and so that we round it up. Then the other one is most important here is to add sound to it. You click on the sound here. You click on the sound. If you have a music you don't have in mind to use, you can also go to your folder here, click it. You see that from your device or the one the extracted sound. So if I click extracted down now, there's one I extracted yesterday. You just make use of it. Extracted sound. So once I add it now and play it, you will see. So you see it. So that's how it is. Then the next thing you need to go back to do is just to add. You click this button here. There's this button here. It's for export. So you're exporting it now. So I'll just export it. After I will delete it because just for the practical, I will export it. Then go and play it so that you see how it is. So let's just wait, have patience so that listen. And please watch and share, please. Watch and share this video. And follow the series. I will be breaking it down. I will start by teaching us what the tools are meant to do. It's not barely make it, but if you want to learn editing, you must learn how to make use of those tools. So it's already here. I can play it now from here. So you see, ready to share. You know? So this is it. You see? You see? So this is just a photo, this in picture, this in photo slide, you see? So, there you see? So that was it. And another thing, see, you see that it's showing CapCut at the end. So watch the next video. The next video, I'm going to show you how to remove that CapCut. That's watermark on it, that CapCut, so that when people are watching it, somebody will not see the picture, you not see the app you're using editing, that CapCut. It's unprofessional for you to leave that CapCut on it. So I will also show you in the next video on how to remove that CapCut. So please share this video and also follow for more. We're going to start the series one after the other and with the tools. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.